Good morning.
Good morning, Miss Webster.
How y'all doing this morning?
Good.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
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 But today's lesson is going to be real short.
Okay.
Let's hope everybody gets it. So have your materials in front of you and we can get started.
You didn't hit skip intro.
Okay, you ready? I'm going to share my screen. Go ahead and mute your computer for me until I call on you. Okay. Okay, so today we're just going to review line of symmetry. And let's see, who remembers what a line of symmetry is before I even... What's a line of symmetry? Makai, what's a line of symmetry?
A line of symmetry is lines that
Think about it. If you drew a line right down your face, right here, straight down. So what happens with lines of symmetry? They do what? Or think about looking in a mirror. Remember I gave you the example of looking in a mirror? You need some help?
Yeah.
Okay, who can help Makai? Let me see. Janaya A, I see your hand.
Well, what line of symmetry is when you have a picture and you use a line and you cut it down in the middle, and if it matches with the same part on the other side, then
so they have to look exactly what?
Alike.
They have to look exactly alike. Let's go back to you, Makai. What's a line of symmetry?
A line of symmetry, it cuts through the middle of a picture and sees if they are alike.
They have to be exactly alike, correct?
Yes.
So it's like the example we gave was looking in the mirror. So the mirror, you holding the mirror would be your line of symmetry, because on this side of the mirror, you know what you look like. But when you look in the mirror, you know it's exactly the same. So even if you cut your face straight down the middle, your whole body, then one side looks like the other side. So I'm going to show you some things that I pulled up that are examples of lines of symmetry. Okay, so let's look at the dog. So how many of you guys have pets? You have pets? So if you have a pet and you draw a line of symmetry right down that pet's face, notice that in this dog, his left side looks like his right side. Okay, so that's how you know when it's symmetrical. So this dog has one line of symmetry, because if I drew a line going horizontally, it would not be the same. Okay, Let's look at this ladybug that I have here. See this ladybug? So a line has been drawn down this ladybug, and then the right side is symmetrical or looks exactly like the left side. Let's look at some other things in nature. Look at this butterfly right here. So a line is drawn here. So the right wing section and half of the body looks like the left wing section, and so on and so on. So when you have in math shapes, look at this triangle. This triangle here is equilateral. Equilateral means what? Who can tell me what equilateral means? Let's review that a little bit. Equilateral. What does equilateral mean? Hold on, let me stop sharing. All right, what does equilateral mean? Kaden, what does equilateral mean?
Equal.
When an equilateral triangle would mean that all the what? Kaden?
I didn't hear you.
I said an equilateral triangle means that all the what? If you draw an equilateral triangle, means that all the sides are what?
Equal.
Equal. So all the sides are exactly the same. So let me go back to the equilateral triangle. So when I look at this equilateral triangle right here, look how many lines of symmetry it has. One straight down the middle would be 1. And then from one vertex of the angle to a side would be 2. And then from here to here would be 3. So if you were to fold whatever you have on your line of symmetry, it would just look exactly alike. Okay, so remember the day we were in class and we were folding the squares and the papers? Y'all remember that? That was like one of the last things we did. We started folding papers and things, and hold on, somebody needs to be admitted. All right, so when you fold it, it has to look the exact same. Okay, all right, so let's move on. And I have plenty of examples of lines of symmetry on this page. So if you want to go back and look at the pre-recorded to help you out, you could. Okay, all right, so let's move on. Find this page in your packet. It should be like page 2, I think, right after the schedule that tells you. So find that page. I see a lot of y'all looking through your things, trying to find your page. So find that page in your packet. All right, when you have it, give me a thumbs up. Let me see. I see most of the thumbs. Don't see everybody. So if you have a device where you're able to show a video, please turn it on. Don't just make it audio. Good job. Thumbs up. All right, so let's get started. Somebody's computer is not mute. Please mute your computer. Okay, so now let's look at our first shape. It says, which figure has exactly 3 lines of symmetry? So everybody, let's underline what we're looking for. We're looking for exactly 3 lines of symmetry. Let's box in exactly 3. So box that in. How many lines of symmetry are we looking for? Show me with your fingers. I see Nehemiah's fingers, Adrian's fingers. Daniela's, Abigail's fingers, Tatiana's fingers. Still waiting on a few of y'all to show me. Braylon, I see your fingers. So we're looking for exactly 3 lines of symmetry, okay? So everybody take this first figure and notice that it is, let me see, what type of triangle is this? Who can tell me what type of triangle is number 1? Let me stop sharing so I can see y'all. What type of triangle is number 1? I don't see. Madison, unmute yourself and tell me what it is.
A symmetric triangle?
Say it again, sweetie.
A symmetric triangle?
Okay, let me review. Remember, you had equilateral, you had isosceles, and you had a scalene triangle. Remember those?
Yeah.
Okay, now look at number 1. Is it equilateral? Is it scalene? Or is it isosceles? See what y'all remember. Good job. You're exactly right. Good job, Madison. How did you know it was isosceles? What makes an isosceles triangle? Let's get somebody else to answer that question, Madison. What makes a triangle isosceles? It's going to tell me who was paying attention. What makes a triangle isosceles? Let's see. Peyton, what makes a triangle isosceles?
Miss Webster, I don't have the page.
Who?
Peyton.
You don't have the page? That's you, Peyton. Do you need me to email it to you? Peyton.
Ma'am?
Do you need me to email it to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Well, send me an
Yes,
email
ma'am.
at what? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Where am
Okay. All right. Somebody's not muted. Marcus, please mute yourself. Peyton, send me an email at webster.robin@the Sugar Creek. I thought I sent your mom one. Okay? And I'll send it to you. All right, so let's go back to our screen. Make sure you're muted. All right, so Madison told us that this was an isosceles triangle. You're exactly right, Madison. It's isosceles because this side and this side are the same. So you're exactly right. So kiss your brain, Madison. You did an excellent job with that. So it is an isosceles. Our job is to figure out which one has exactly 3 lines of symmetry. So let's draw a line from top to bottom, straight down the middle. Okay. Now look at both sides. Are they symmetrical? If you think they are, put your thumbs up. If you think they're not symmetrical, put your thumb down. Please mute yourself. It's not muted. So my question was, if you think that's a line of symmetry, to give me a thumbs up. If not, thumbs down. I don't see everybody's thumb. Zachariah, up or down? Christian, thumb up or down? I see a lot of mixed reviews. Let's go back and look at this again. Please make sure you're muted. All right, look at this side here. If I were to fold this on this line, does this side look like this side? My line's a little crooked, but yes, it does. So this would be a line of symmetry because if I were to color this in, this section here and color in this section here, do they look the same? Yes, they do. So we know that this particular object has one line of symmetry. So put a tally mark right there, and I'm going to erase and draw another line of symmetry. So we know A has at least one line of symmetry. So now this time I'm going to draw a line across here. And you look at both sides and tell me if that is a line of symmetry. So draw a line horizontally on your paper. And we're going to look and see if it is a line of symmetry. If you think it is, thumbs up. If you think not, thumbs down. I need to see your thumbs. Peyton, even though you don't have it, it's on my screen, so you can still participate, okay? All right, you're exactly right. All thumbs should be down. Good job, guys. That is not a line of symmetry. Because when I look at this side here, at the bottom, this section here, it does not look like this section up here. So that would not be a line of symmetry, okay? All right, I'm going to erase it, and I'm going to draw a line a different way. You tell me if you think it's a line of symmetry. Let's say I draw a diagonal line. Now, if you think it's a line of symmetry, thumbs up. If not, thumbs down. Look at what I have. Let me see. Do I see everybody's thumb? Okay, Simon, is this one is this particular one? Is this a line of symmetry? The yellow line, is it a line of symmetry? Simon,
Yes.
can you hear me?
Yes.
Hey, do you think this one is a line of symmetry, the yellow line?
No.
It is not. You're exactly right. And most of you had your thumbs down. It is not. I'm going to draw another line. Get ready with your thumbs and tell me if you think this one is a line of symmetry. Uh-oh, sorry. Hold on one second.
Miss Webster, I have it now.
Okay, good. All right, now I drew a line that way. You draw that line and tell me if you think it's a line of symmetry. If you think it is, thumbs up. If not, thumbs down. Israel, do you think it's a thumbs up or a thumbs down? Unmute yourself. Is that a line of symmetry on what I have drawn? Israel.
That's wrong.
What'd you say? Say it again, sweetie.
That is wrong.
It is not a line of symmetry. You're exactly right. Good job, Israel. All right, so A has one line of symmetry, and we're looking for exactly what? 3 lines of symmetry. Let's go to B. Draw a line down the middle. Thumbs up if you think it's symmetrical. Do both sides look alike? If I folded that, would they fall just like they are? Let me see your thumbs, up or down. Okay, good job. Most of you have it up. Christian, look, if I folded this right here on this line, my question to you is, does this side right here look like this side right here if I fold it in half? So do they look identical, Christian? They do. So it is a line of symmetry. You're exactly right. So let's put a tally mark right there. And I'm going to erase and draw one a different way. Okay, let's draw a line across. And then look, does this part here look exactly like this part? Thumbs up or down? All right, let me see your thumbs. Okay. Meredith, is this a line of symmetry? Yes or no? Unmute yourself.
No.
It is not a line of symmetry. You're exactly right. Good job, Meredith.
Not a.
Okay. Let's draw a different line. Go ahead and put yourself on mute. Somebody's not on mute.
It's 11:54 now.
Oh, I'm sorry.
All right, look at that. Thumbs up or down. Do you think this is a line of symmetry? Does this side, if I fold it over, look exactly like this side? All right, let me see your thumbs. Up or down? Cambrielle, is that a line of symmetry? Is a black line a line of symmetry?
No.
You're exactly right. They don't look alike. So still, we only have one for that one. We're going to draw one more diagonal for this one. All right, tell me if that's a line of symmetry.
Mm.
Thumbs up or down? Up or down? Thumb up or down? Make sure I can see your thumbs. You guys are doing a great job. You're exactly right. It is not a line of symmetry. So that particular B only has how many lines of symmetry? One. And we're looking for 3. Okay? Everybody go to C, figure C. And let's begin looking for lines of symmetry here. So we're going to go from the top to the bottom. And if you need to turn your paper so that your triangle looks like it's steady, then do so. So now I drew a green line through the triangle. Does this side look like this side? Abigail, is it symmetrical?
Yes.
It is symmetrical. Good job, Abigail. So everybody put a tally mark for that one. Let's erase. And let's draw another line of symmetry from this corner straight across. Okay. Everybody look at that one. Tatiana, is that a line of symmetry?
No.
So does this side right here, Tatiana, look like this side if I were to fold it? See, this corner would be folded to here, and it'd be straight in the middle. So would that look like? Look again.
Miss Webster, you're echoing. You're echoing and I can't hear you.
So Tatiana, yes, this is a line of symmetry.
Yes.
Here's a line of symmetry. Makai, please mute yours. And then I'm gonna mute you, Cambrielle. You guys keep it muted unless I ask you to unmute yourself, because you get that background, okay? All right, so let's go on to back to where we were. So yes, that is a line of symmetry. So we need to put a tally mark. Now let's erase. Let's go from this corner to this corner now. All right, look at my blue line. London B, is that a line of symmetry?
Yes,
Yes, it is. How do you know?
because 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 one side looks like the other.
You're exactly right. So that would be a third line of symmetry. Go back to our big question. Have we found our answer? Yes, we have. Everybody circle
I don't even get this now.
C. C is your answer. Now, let's go to D just to take a look, because D can be kind of tricky, but I need you to look at it. Now, if I were to fold this paper over on that line, this particular angle right here would end up all the way over here. So it would not be asymmetrical. It would not be symmetrical. Let's say I drew a line straight across. Would that be symmetrical? Up or down? Thumbs up or down?
Yeah, that would
Let
be.
me see. I see Braylon's thumb. I see Makai, Daniela's thumb,
God.
Jania's thumb. Adrian, is your thumb up or down? So you're saying that this is symmetrical, Adrian? So if I were to color this in, would it be the exact same as this? Let me show you another little trick. What kind of angle is this right here? What type of angle is that right there? Who can tell me? Jania A, what type of angle is that? Right here. Jania A.
It's an acute.
It's an acute angle, okay? What kind of angle is this right here? What type of angle is this right here? Daniela, what type of angle is that?
Obtuse.
It's an obtuse angle. So if I fold it on this line, I have an acute angle on an obtuse angle. Are they the same? They are not. Acute means less than 90 degrees. Obtuse means more than 90 degrees. So you know they are not. So this one right here does not have any lines of symmetry. And I just wanted to point that out. So a parallelogram doesn't have any lines of symmetry. Okay? All right, let's go to your next question. All right, read that for me, please. Adrian, read what we're supposed to do.
Which letter has line symmetry?
Okay, so everybody underline. We're only looking for one line of symmetry for the letter. Go ahead and underline what we're looking for. All right, everybody take your letter Z, which is problem number 1, and draw a line of symmetry. You draw it. All right, Nehemiah, which way did you draw your line? Unmute yourself and tell me which way you drew your line.
I drew my line through the middle.
Up and down, across, diagonal, which way through the middle?
Across.
So horizontally. All right, so everybody take a look at this one. If I were to fold that on top of that, would that be a line of symmetry? Thumbs up or down? Waiting to see your thumbs, up or down. Thank you, Makai. Braylon responding very quickly. All right, so does this side look like this side? Your thumb should be down. This is not a line of symmetry, because when I fold this, this is going to lay on top of that part right there, and it's closed. This is open. This line here is open and this is closed. So it's not going to lay on there flat. So that's not a line of symmetry. All right. Let's draw a different line on the letter Z. Marcus, which way are we going to draw a line on Z this time? Unmute yourself. Which way are we drawing our line?
Straight down.
Okay, up and down. Okay, everybody look at both sides. Are they symmetrical? Thumbs up, yes. Thumbs down, no. I see Braylon's thumb. I see Janiyah A's thumb. Kaden, are you with me? I see Abigail's thumb. London's thumb. Tatiana's, Peyton's thumb. Cambrielle, yours up or down? Down, okay. All right, you're exactly right. They should be down. All right, draw a diagonal and see if it's symmetrical, guys. All right, thumbs up or down. Makai, I can't see yours. Up or down? Peyton, up or down? All thumbs should be down. Good job. Not symmetrical. Erase, draw the diagonal the opposite way. Now go this way. All right, thumbs up or down? Good job. All thumbs should be down. You're exactly right. All right, so Z doesn't have any lines of symmetry, right? Let's go to the letter S. Draw your line straight down the middle for S and tell me, do you think it is symmetrical? Thumbs up or down? Thumbs up or down? Still waiting on y'all to put your thumbs. I don't see everybody's thumb. Up or down? All thumbs should be down. You're exactly right. All right. This time, draw it straight across. And tell me if you think that's symmetrical. Both sides look alike. Thumbs up or down. Look at it. If you were to fold it over, does it look exactly alike? All right, I see thumbs going several ways. They should all be down. So that's a thumb down, thumbs down. All right, you do E. You do the letter E. And let me know if it is. Does it have any line of symmetry? You do E. You're working on E. Draw your line across, draw it up and down, draw a diagonal both ways, and you let me know if E has any lines of symmetry. Go. Makai, you finished? Kaden. We're on line E. You with me? We're on E. Okay. Akusa, did you find any lines of symmetry for E?
Yes.
Okay. Which way did you draw your line?
Horizontally.
Horizontally. Everybody agree?
Yes.
Okay, so everybody draw a line straight through the middle of E. And does this part right here look like this part down here? Does it look alike? All right, guys. You only had 2 questions today. Let's go to, let me move y'all. N. Let's do N for practice. Draw a line up and down N. Thumbs up or down, is it symmetrical? Thumbs up or down, is it symmetrical? All thumbs should be down. You're exactly right. Erase. Draw a horizontal line, one straight across of N, across through N. Horizontal line. Israel, is it symmetrical? We're on N. When you do that line, I'm sorry.
Yes.
N is symmetrical.
What's the next?
When you drew that line,
No.
okay, stay with me. I can see if you're focused or not, so make sure you're staying with me the entire time. So I asked you to draw a line this way, and if it was symmetrical, and came back and said, no, it is not, it is not. So our answer for that one is truly letter C. You're exactly right, okay? All right, are there any questions about line of symmetry? Remember, line of symmetry draws a line and it puts it in 2 parts, and both parts have to look exactly alike. So just in case you forget, think about your face. If you drew a line right here and you look at one side of your face, does it look like the other side of your face? Yes. You drew a line down your whole, straight down your whole body. One side looks like the other side, so it will make it symmetrical. But it has to look exactly alike, okay? Any questions? All right, good job, guys. Please make sure you go to Zoom. Put your first and last name in. Akusa?
When I had got the packet, it came with a piece of paper that had letters on it.
Did it have those letters? Is it in the packet? Did it have those letters in there? The ones that we just went over?
Well, it came with the paper that said A, B, C, D.
Let me see what you have. Hold it up.
I can't find it.
Well,
So
did you have the one for today?
Which?
Did you have the one that we just completed?
I wanted to know if we had to use it. This is what it looked like.
Just hold on to it, because I don't have that in my packet.
Okay.
My sister has one of those, but she's in first grade. I don't know if she has to use it though.
Okay. Do you have the first grade?
Webster.
Yes.
Somebody keeps doing my Kahoots for me. I have to keep going back in and out.
Okay.
Yeah, me too. I had a couple of those.
Okay.
Yeah, me too.
And you know what? We're finding people from other.
And I had people too.
Okay, we find that people from other pods are going in. When you have that problem, email me.
Okay.
And when you email me, I'll tell you what to put in, okay?
Miss Webster, what are the you do numbers for today?
We did it.
Oh,
Those 2 problems
Is
that
it?
we just did. You just have to go to
okay.
Kahoot. You just got to go to Kahoot, Marcus.
Okay.
Madison, you have a question?
That was easy.
That one gay kid.
Yeah, I had the same problem.
Okay, so when that happens, you know my email, webster.robin, right? Just
Yes.
hit me up and then I'll tell you what to do.
That's tomorrow.
No, it's not.
Miss Webster.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
See you later.
Miss Webster.
Yes, I'm listening.
Is
I mean-
this our YouTube?
No,
She just literally said we
we
did
just
our
did it.
YouTube.
Bye, Miss Webster.
Janiyah, bye, sweetie. We only had those 2 problems we just did, okay, for today.
Okay, I didn't.
Yeah, just do the 2 we did.
I didn't
That's
hear
it.
you
And
'cause
then
you
go
were
do your
freezing up.
Kahoot. Huh?
Bye.
Bye-bye.
I couldn't hear you. I couldn't hear you because you were freezing up.
Okay, you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay, you only had the 2 problems that we did today,
Okay.
and then do your Kahoots. Daniela?
Bye, Miss Webster.
Bye, sweetie.
We
See
put
you
the answers
Wednesday.
to these 2 problems on Kahoot.
Say it again, sweetie.
We put the answers to these 2 problems on Kahoot.
No, go look at your Kahoots. Look at your Kahoots closely. Because your Kahoots is different from your UDOs this time. Okay? All right, see y'all Wednesday. Have a great
Bye, Miss
rest of your
Webster.
day. Bye-bye.
Bye.